Hi e-commerce friend, in this video I'm going to show you 3 different ways on how you can set up your product feed for Google Merchant Center in order to run your profitable Google Shopping ads campaigns. So stay tuned. So the first option is basically when you go to your Google Merchant Center, you can simply start a manual sheet. A manual sheet can be designed in a normal G sheet that is offered when you click the options in your Google Merchant Center account. It is very good if you only have a few products, but just keep in mind that every time something changes on your website, you need to go manually inside of this G sheet and make adjustments. So you're changing the prices, you're changing the product titles or anything. It's fully customizable, which is really great, but you have to go into this sheet and make it yourself. The second option is using a Shopify app that's on the market. There are very cheap options out there. In this example feed for Google Shopping, it is only $5 per month. Those are quite good because you can automatically sync your products from your e-commerce platform with the feed. That's totally automatic. The big disadvantage is that you cannot do any customizations. For example, you cannot really change the product title or you cannot use other images and whatnot. And to have this control is actually very important if you want to do the nitty and gritty part of optimization. For example, the most important part when you optimize your shopping campaigns is by optimizing the product title accordingly. And with this option, you might not be able to do so because it's restricted. And a lot of apps are just like that. The third option is using a third-party provider, a professional feed developer or service provider. They go in with their software, they scrap all of your products from that website, and they will build out this feed for you automatically. Also on top, they will make sure that it's getting synced every 24 hours. Plus you will get all the power and control to optimize every aspect of your feed. And that's an option that we are basically working with as an agency. We try to avoid lower cost options here because it's very important that we make sure, especially with e-commerce brands with multiple products, that if something changes on the website, that this change is represented also in the Google Shopping feed. I hope that was valuable to you. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our newsletter at wonderads.agency, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.